Yes lads, what's going on, man? We're back out again on the lakes. I've had some good success on the fabby jerk lately, so I'm going to try it again. I've had 2 fish on it. I've lost about 12, but can't be helped, can it? Yeah, I got one. Oh, come on then. Oh yes. Never had one like this late before. Buzzing, man. Absolutely buzzing. Oh, come on now, don't come off, mate. It's gonna come off. Whoa. Yes. Buzzing. Lovely, man, on the fabby jerk. Whoa, chill out, mate. Let's have a look at him now. Nice fish, man. Good set of gnashers on him. Nice long fish. Lovely colours. There you go, lads. You can't moan at that, lads. Just come. Had the one on the fabby jerk. Let's try and get some more out. Right, gutted, lads. Gutted. I lost my fabby jerk, man. So I'm gonna have to try the other one, I know. 25 quid down the drain, man. Feel like crying. Good colour as well. No, I'm scared. Yeah, I lost one here last time, lads. So I thought I'd try and I just saw some little baby birds, so I'm sure the pike will be around here eating them birds, you know. So let's see. Oh, fucking hell. Fabby jerk, man. Whoa!
What the monster?
Can't believe that.
Big one, that little. Yeah.
Look at that little thing. Oh, it's quite cute, isn't it?
Can still bite you. Perfect even. No marks on it. Perfect little thing.
Good job being a bit bigger. You took the duck. Duck feet,
Yeah, perfect even.
The size is still about then, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Got some little ones going round.
There he goes.
There he is, look.
About 20 pounds every year.
I know, but yeah.
About £25 and you see you taking the ducks away. Then we'll try and get that.
See you later, mate. As if.